Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off incoming call haptics vibration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap on Ringtone. Now in here at the top, tap on Haptics. By default, it is set to synchronize vibration. Now you can go down to the bottom and select None. This will switch off haptics vibration. If you want to turn the vibration back on, you could select the synchronize default vibration, or you can select one of the patterns from the standard list here. When you select a haptics style, it will vibrate on the phone and you will feel what the patterns will be like. So quick, you can see a quick sudden burst of vibration and then it stopped. Rapid will make the phone vibrate fast and quickly in a series of repeated patterns. And that's it. You can even create a new pattern yourself. So tap on new vibration will allow you to create a vibration pattern. And then tap on stop to record, or you can cancel. Save will allow you to save the changes and you can give your vibration a name. I'm just going to cancel and then tap on the back key. After you have select your choice of vibration, you can then swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.